This is an example of a spreadsheet that will track 13 boats and the number of fish caught by each boat, and then how much the load of fish is equal to. Now I've set up kind of a template. First off, we have the various types of fish, and I've written down here, given us the latitude to have as many as 7 types of fish. Secondly, I've made up some dummy numbers in terms of how much per pound each fish would bring to market. So for fish number 1, it's $1 a pound. Fish number 2, $2 a pound. I've also created a field for the date in which the boat is coming in. So that's really kind of the first thing that you would want to do, is fill in the date. So today's date being 6/3/11, 2011. I've set up a formula where everything is equal to that date. So for each of the boats, that has already been done for us. I put in some numbers here, once again, dummy numbers, where in each case, each of the boats has brought in 1 pound of each of the types of fish. Now what you would want to know, of course, is the total pounds by boat, and then also the total pounds by fish. So we're summing those numbers right there. This would be all part of our template. Now down here in this area here, we're going to calculate how much money our various catches are going to bring in. And I'm going to set up a formula here. And that formula is going to be based upon the amount of pounds brought in by fish per boat. So for instance, boat number 1 brought in 1 pound times 1, it'd be $1 that would be coming in. Now the trick here is that in all cases, for fish number 1, it will always be the total pounds multiplied by whatever the rate is for fish 1. The way how to do that is by putting in an equal sign. Clicking on the 1 multiplied by the $1 here. Now, in all cases, this $1 will be a constant. It's an absolute. It's always going to be $1 for fish number 1. So what I would want to do next is hit F4 and then hit enter. With my formula showing now, C6 multiplied by $C, $3. By quickly double left click it, I can see that it's 1 times $1. Well, I want to copy that pattern all the way down. Again, if we double check our formula, we're going to see it's C18 multiplied by C3, which is exactly what we want to get. Now that pattern is going to be copied all the way across. So for fish number 2, the formula will go into the cell D23, equal sign, 1 multiplied by $2. Once again, $2 is for fish number 2. It's a constant or an absolute, so we're going to hit F4. Hit enter. And this same pattern can be copied all the way down. Equal sign. This is for fish number 3. One fish multiplied by $3 for fish number 3. And that, once again, is a constant. It's always going to be $3 per pound for fish number 3. Make it an absolute. And copy it down. Fish number 4, equal sign. The amount of fish for fish number 4 is 1 pound multiplied by the rate for fish number 4, which is $4. And that $4 is a constant. Copy it right down. Fish number 5, 1 fish for 1 pound for fish number 5 multiplied by the rate of $5. And once again, that is a absolute or a constant. Fish number 6, 1 pound multiplied by the rate of $6 per pound for fish number 6. Hit enter. Copy our pattern down. Lastly, for number 7, fish number 7, 1 pound multiplied by the rate of $7 for fish number 7. Copy our pattern down. I want to just format this to accounting format. Change this. This is not total pounds, but total revenue. I would rename that sheet to June 3rd. And then save it. Needless to say, for each day we would have a separate sheet, and we could eventually total all those amounts. Thank you.